This VSL strategy is something all copywriters should consistently be implementing, yet hardly anyone ever is. It's called the belief-shattering VSL hook, and my buddy, the legendary Chris Haddad, will show you how to use it to force everyone exposed to your copy to pay attention to whatever you have to say. They'll literally hang on every single word. The belief-shattering VSL hook helps you start and end your VSL with the most attention-grabbing lines, making it impossible for people to not consume more. It's part of a simple, one-of-a-kind, four-step process that will set you apart from all the boring copy out there and allow you to generate the most sales with your VSLs, sales pages, and other messaging. Now, before we go any deeper, if you don't know me yet, I'm Rich Schefren, known as the Oracle of Internet Marketing, because I'm a huge marketing tactic geek who brings these strategies to the market way before they ever get stale. Now, each week through my show, Steal Our Winners, I handpick the top dog digital marketing experts from around the world, mostly my best friends, to deliver intensive trainings. Online business owners around the globe pay top dollar to get their hands on these tactics and strategies inside of Steal Our Winners at strategicprofits.com. This is content that you will never find on YouTube. Like this episode, walking you through how to craft a belief-shattering VSL hook that generates over 100 sales per day.
Instead of having YouTube ads that are about, here's a benefit, here's the 3-word phrase you can use to get a man to want you forever. What I figured out that works even better is mistakes, right? The mistake you are making or the mistake you think you might be making. There's this powerful suspicion in our market's mind that it is all their fault. People in general, we all think we're ups, right? This feeling that I think the vast majority of people feel all the time around, like, how am I this up? How am I contributing to the problems in my life? So let me just read the ad that is actually working the best for us right now. It says, there's one simple sex mistake you must never make when being intimate with a man if you want him to see you as girlfriend material instead of just another notch on his bedpost. Do you know what this simple mistake is? Let me give you a hint. Never ever blank his blank with your blank. We just put like actual blanks on that part. Can you fill in the blanks? And that has just grabbed people from a curiosity standpoint much more powerfully than anything we could do.
Watch the full episode on the belief-shattering VSL hook that will allow you to grab audience's attention within a millisecond, increase conversion rates up to 30% or more, solve your prospects' problems, and earn their trust. This simple tool will help you optimize your VSLs. And that means you can earn much more money with much less effort by clicking the link on this page to watch the entire video for free.